Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for NerdWallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in nerdwallet.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official site for NerdWallet. From the main homepage, click on the Sign Up button at the top right hand corner. Now, you can sign up using your Apple account, Google account, or entering your email and password. I'm gonna choose the email and password option. So in order to do that, first of all, go ahead and type in your name. Make sure to type in both of your last name and your first name, and then enter a valid email address in the email tab. Right where it says password, create a password including the criteria given right beneath. After you are done selecting a password, finally click continue. Now, select an authentication method to secure your account. You can choose Google Authenticator or similar option, or the SMS option. Select any one option of your choice. After selecting an option, make sure to follow through the prompts. Since I've selected SMS, it is asking me to enter a phone number. Select your country code and enter a phone number in the text box. After you are done, click on Enable. If you're using the two-factor authentication option, then you'll need to scan this QR code from your Google Authenticator app or any other authenticator application. Simply go ahead and scan the QR code from your device and you will be able to generate your one-time code. Type in the one-time code after you receive it and click on Enable. Soon after you do that, you will be able to complete your sign up for NerdWallet. NerdWallet is a valuable resource for making informed financial decisions. Whether you want to lower your bills, increase your income, or enhance your financial health, NerdWallet has resources to guide you. So that is how you will be able to sign up for NerdWallet in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.